All right, so this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Ultra. Just literally came through the door right now. So we're going to go ahead and unbox these and, see what's up. We'll go and start with the smaller Galaxy S22. This is what the box is going to look like. That's the color I have right there. Got that pinkish color. I already forgot what it was called. Galaxy S22. Look at how thin that is. So that alone is already telling me there's no power brick in this box right here. And it pretty much tells you what's in the box right here. The Galaxy S22, USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, ejection pin, quick start guide, blah, blah, blah. Let's go ahead and cut the tape on the side, or stickers, whatever you want to call them. Let me go ahead and close this so I don't stab myself by accident. Here we go. Quick unboxing and first impressions. Here it is. Woo! Ooh, look at that. Oh, okay. For a pink phone, this is actually pretty nice. I think, what is it? Pink gold? I can't even remember the color. Let's go and take this off. Look at that. Woo! That's actually really nice for a pink phone. And I'm not about the pink. I wouldn't carry around a pink phone. And my goodness, it feels really good in the hands as well. It's a good set. Look, I got the S21 Ultra right here, just for a quick size comparison. Look at how much smaller it is. But for those of you who don't like huge phones, I mean, this feels really good in the hands, especially for me. I have small hands, small, chubby hands, got fat fingers. But look at that, looking really good. Let's go and take the front plastic off. Look at that satisfying sound right there. Let's see if it's got any juice. Come on, any juice? Nothing? Oh, okay, there we go. Took a little bit longer than usual. So as you can see over here on the right side, we got, the volume rockers, the power button. They actually feel pretty good, nice and clicky. Over here down at the bottom, there's the slot right there. Microphone, USB Type-C charging input. You got the speaker and nothing here to the left. Got another microphone up top. Of course, we got the same camera setup as the S21. As you can see, the S21 Ultra as well. But it actually it's looking really nice. And I like that you get pretty much the same color all the way around. It's not different. And then we have some plastic here on the sides of the phone that can be peeled off. As you can see here, let's see if I can get this peeled off really quick here. Okay, that was it. It took me a while. I got that part. Let's see, am I missing another part? Well, that's what that's going to look like right there. Look at that. So of course you're getting the glossy edges, the glossy sides. And yes, there's juice on here, 63%. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side. Let's get that out of the way. Let's see what comes in the box. I mean, we know what comes in the box. Look at that. Absolutely nothing except for this right here, giving us the charging cable, of course, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and all these manuals and stuff that nobody reads, and then the SIM ejector tool, and that is it. So let me go and turn it this way so we can get the beauty of the phone itself. Like I said, it feels really good in the hands for a very small phone, and I like how the edges are more, I wouldn't say sharp, but they're more flat. Like it feels really nice. It actually feels like a little iPhone, not gonna lie, but it's looking good. Okay, like I said, quick unboxing and first impressions so far. Loving the look of this phone right here, the feel, and it doesn't have too much weight to it. It's nice and light. Let's go ahead and open up the S22 Ultra. Boom. There we, let me go ahead and close this again. All right, here we go. This one's my phone right here, the S22 Ultra. Woo! Okay, did I say S20? Note 22. This is a Note phone, you guys. This is a Note device. Look at that. Woo! I got the burgundy one, as you can see right here. Let's go and take this off. Look at that, so satisfying. Oh my God. Okay, look at this. Look at that. Just take a moment to admire the beauty of this burgundy Galaxy S22 Ultra. Look at those cameras there. So I have the Note 20 Ultra right here, just for small comparison. Almost about the same size. You can see they're pretty much the same size. Definitely not the same color. Definitely not the same camera setup. If I turn it to the side, just to give you an idea of what the differences are between the cameras. So this is definitely a Note device. I mean, just in comparison right here when looking at the shape of it. And then of course, we get the S Pen. Let me go ahead and pull this out. This is a Note, you guys. Oh, and the S Pen is black. Look at that color combo. I think that actually looks pretty cool. Not too bad, looking really nice. Go ahead and put that back in for now. Got a nice click to it. Down at the bottom, got the speaker, USB Type-C charging input, microphone, the SIM card slot. Unfortunately, no micro SD card slot, which is why I've held on to the Note 20 Ultra for so long, because this is the phone that edits my videos. Because right now I'm, recording on my Sony camera. I can pop that SD card out, throw it in here and edit the video. I'm not going to be able to do that with either of these phones right here because there is no micro SD card slot. And you know, usually the Note line is known for having all the bells and whistles, which is why I'm pretty sure they didn't change the name to Note. They kept it as the S22 Ultra. But I mean, just looking at it, it's a Note phone, you know? Looking at the buttons on the side, get the power button on the bottom, volume rockers up here at the top, and the sides are actually the same exact color as the phone. So that's actually really, really nice there. Nothing here to the left. Up there at the top, you get a microphone. Let's see if it has any juice. Let's see if it's gonna take a long time or not. Come on, baby. Start up for me. Let's go. There it is. Let's take off the plastic in the front. Look at that. And no pre-installed screen protector this time around, not even a thin film or anything like that. So I do have a screen protector video coming for the Whitestone Dome. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I'll have a full installation video. I'll definitely be putting that on here in a bit. I got to make sure this phone stays protected, but it feels really good in the hand. Definitely feels like a Note device. As you can see, we do have some bezel there on the bottom and at the top. And the punch hole camera cutout up at the top actually looks pretty small in comparison to the Note 20 Ultra. I don't know, maybe they're the same size. I don't know, they might be the same size, but it actually looks pretty small. And this is in comparison with the S22 Ultra. So as you can see, we do got that boxy look compared to the rounded corners on the S22 Ultra. Look at that. But I gotta say, I love this Phantom Black color. I will never get over that color. It looks absolutely beautiful. And they're about the same height. Now I would say the S22 Ultra is just a little bit taller, as you can see right there. But I gotta say, I still love the camera setup of the S21 Ultra. I mean, just the way it kind of mounts in to the edges of the phone right here. I think it looks really, really nice. But as you can see, we do have some juice right there. Let's see what else comes in the box. Pretty much gonna be the same exact thing as the smaller S22. Look at that, nothing in the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. You got the SIM ejector tool right there. Of course, you get the charging cable, these pamphlets, and that's it. No charging brick or anything like that. And these are the two phones, the S22 Ultra and the S22. Overall, first impressions, I mean, they look great. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful devices. Feel great in the hands. I love the overall boxy look of this phone right here. It just gives it a really nice professional look. And especially when you pull out the S Pen like this, boom, you're good to go. And you're gonna have all the same features as the S Pen on, you know, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So that's really cool. You know, you still got the button on this. You're still gonna have those Bluetooth features. So definitely very, very cool. I'm really glad that they brought the S Pen to the S line, but they should have just named it the Note 22 Ultra. That's what it should have been. And they should have still kept the SD card slot. I would have loved that. Really bummed out that they didn't include that with this. And the phone keeps talking. Let me go back. Let me power this off. Keeps talking to me. But overall impressions are nice, actually. I'm really loving the look of both of these phones right here. The feel, I'm gonna get them started up, start using them. That way I can start my whole review process with both of these phones. This was just supposed to be a quick unboxing and first impressions. Now, one thing I will mention really quick, the way these cameras are set up right here, it's got me a little scared, not gonna lie, because they're individually cut out. There's not a full layer of glass protecting each one of them. So it kind of scares me a little bit, you know, having to, if I do ever plan on carrying this around naked or just with the skin, it's still not going to protect those cameras. Of course, I do have tons of case videos coming. As you can see, like with this one, it's kind of protected because it's kind of sitting below the whole framing. So that is kind of protecting the cameras a lot more than how these are individually set up right there. But overall, two beautiful looking phones. Unfortunately, I don't have the S22 Plus, but y'all let me know what you think. Just overall first impressions of both of these phones right here. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Thank you so very much for watching. We've got the S22, S22 Ultra. Got tons of videos coming for both of these phones right here. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified for every video that I put out for both of these phones right here. You're not gonna wanna miss out. I got a bunch of fun content coming. Thank you all so very much for watching. Leave a huge thumbs up if you did like this video, find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.